Hi guys, welcome back to FinPact. It's been a long time since I've made an update on Chainlink, and I truly believe, in my personal non-financial advisor opinion, that Chainlink is one of those tokens that will rally in the month of October. There's been a lot of fundamental news in favor of Chainlink. It's partnered with so many different companies, including Coinbase Cloud. So let's go into that, where I think the price is potentially heading. Again, not financial advice, but just based on my technical analysis and also combining that with the fundamentals behind it. But before we jump into this video, guys, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video. And also remember, this is not financial advice. Check the disclaimer down below. Also, guys, this video has been sponsored by the Boneball Club, and this is an NFT collection. If you want more details on the sponsorship, it's down below in the description box in the disclaimer. So the Boneball Club is an NFT collection where you get double the deal. The token will also be your membership to clubs and exclusive events, and the club is open. They have a collection of 10,000 Boneball NFTs, and these of course double as a club membership card. And these NFTs are built on the Ethereum blockchain. When you're a member, you get an exclusive launch event in Dubai and access to future upcoming events and members only benefits. I will be doing a full review on this project shortly, and thank you again to the Boneball Club for sponsoring this video. And without further ado, let's jump into Chainlink. So you guys have probably heard all about Chainlink, but do you know what they actually do? To summarize, Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network, and it connects blockchain-based smart contracts to high-quality off-chain data. Essentially, this allows decentralized applications, so dApps that wouldn't otherwise function, to function because of the Oracle. I like to think about Chainlink like an analytics software for the crypto industry. So for example, if you imagine a decentralized finance app that wants to access data from centralized exchanges on the prices of cryptocurrencies, Chainlink can enable that. But that's not only it. Chainlink oracles can supply verifiable random numbers to smart contracts. Well, you know, in blockchain games and NFTs, the minting process requires randomness. In short, Chainlink can offer that. So basically, their platform is used on tons of blockchain platforms. In fact, according to the Chainlink website, the total value of crypto assets deposited into markets that use Chainlink oracles exceeds $37 billion. Here are some examples of projects that use Chainlink oracles. We have Avagotchi that uses Chainlink VRF to pioneer dynamic NFTs on Polygon. We have so many: Hedge, Liquidity, Autonomy. There are so many, and you can read some of these case studies on the Chainlink website. Now, we have had some volatile few weeks in the crypto markets, but it seems like we are heading back upwards as Bitcoin has exceeded the $20,000 level, even though we were hovering pretty much around the $19,000, $19,500 level along the last week. We were struggling to get past $20,000, and Chainlink, which is around 21 on CoinMarketCap, is up around 6.65% in the last 24 hours, and it's sitting at $7.75. Just to show you, we are in a bear market. If we look at the year-to-date price and the oil price, we are definitely still at around pandemic levels that we saw in 2020. But if we take a look at how far we are from the all-time high, which was $52.88, we are 85.34% down. Just imagine how well Chainlink could do in the next bull run, and buying it at $7.76. Personally, I think that's a good shout. But again, remember, crypto assets are highly volatile. You saw it is 85% down from its all-time high. So before you buy any crypto assets, consider your risk appetite, and remember, capital can be lost. But yeah, I personally am bullish on Chainlink, so I have been buying Chainlink because I think the price is incredible, and they have been making moves with huge new partnerships and expanding their ecosystem. For example, Coinbase Cloud teamed up with Chainlink Labs to launch NFT floor pricing feeds. So this is one of the huge fundamental news that we've seen for Chainlink. Essentially, what will happen is that Chainlink NFT floor pricing feeds will make the latest NFT pricing data easily accessible by developers. It's like what I said earlier. Chainlink is like an analytics software, allows smart contracts to access information from elsewhere. So in this case, it would help these developers access the NFT floor prices. And this is really important because NFT floor prices give, of course, the lowest purchase price for an NFT within a collection. So this would provide accurate real-world data around the price of NFTs, and developers can create and deploy new DeFi use cases. So Michael Lees, the VP data at Coinbase, said that basically this will bridge the gap between transparency and security in the NFT space by bringing reliable and timely on-chain NFT floor pricing feeds for the top NFT collections to the Web3 world. I think it's going to make it more efficient because now there's more data available. Markets are more efficient when data has been fed into the prices of NFTs or whatever it is in the market. For example, in stocks, the market would be more efficient if all data is integrated into the price. Of course, that's not always the reality, but it does make it more efficient if it is. And of course, that also applies to crypto. And on other news, SWIFT partnered with Chainlink. And SWIFT is the interbank messaging system, and it allows for cross-border payments. They're working with Chainlink. And as you know, Chainlink is a provider of price feeds, like we saw NFT floor prices. And they also provide other data to blockchains through a cross-chain interoperability protocol called CCIP. So this CCIP will basically allow SWIFT messages to instruct on-chain token transfers. And what this does is that it allows the interbank network to communicate across all blockchain environments, which is fantastic. As you know, interoperability is something that we need to strive to get in the crypto industries. That means a lot more blockchains can communicate with the others and more use cases can take place because there's a lot of data in both the ecosystems and all the blockchains have different things to offer. So if they can all communicate and share data, that makes things more efficient. And it also allows more people to have access to different ecosystems. I mentioned earlier in the video I was going to do some technical analysis, but I think right now there is absolutely no point because we are in a bear market. I'm not actually trading Chainlink. I'm only holding for the long term. I'm just accumulating these low prices because the fundamentals, in my opinion, for Chainlink are really strong. But what I would say is that the future price of Chainlink will be highly dependent on how high Bitcoin's price will get to in the next bull run. As you guys know, altcoins tend to rally in exaggerated manners way more than Bitcoin does. So if Bitcoin moves upwards, then the altcoins tend to rally a lot more. So if Bitcoin in the next bull run, probably around 2024, in my opinion, 2024, maybe 2023, we might see a smaller bull run around 2023 beginning. But the bigger one I think will be towards mid 2024. Then we could see, according to the rainbow chart, a $650,000 Bitcoin. Some people are saying $1 million, but I don't actually think so. I think potentially 100 to 500,000 Bitcoin in the next bull run, depending on the fundamentals of the crypto industry and how regulations and everything and the environment is for the crypto industry to continue to expand and grow and be a real use case for everyone in the world. If all that can happen, then I do think Chainlink could 10x. I mean, the all-time high was, what was it, around $53 or so. So from there, I'm sure we can see at least a 5 to 10x in the next bull run. But again, it depends on Bitcoin. It depends on mass adoption, how many people are entering the market, because for Chainlink to reach that level, the market cap of the entire crypto industry needs to be massive. So it needs to be something that almost everyone day to day uses, which I don't know if that will happen. I hope it does happen. I know they are striving for that to happen. So we just have to wait and see. I do, however, think that it will at least exceed its all-time high. Definitely in the next bull run, I think the rallies and the all-time highs will be a lot higher than we saw in this previous one. But again, this is just my opinion. Anyway, guys, what do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.